Every one of our fair concern for Interior Minister Ambrose there reading someone to gesture say, Bawku ahinsie woman to be Huasia, Kamia Sasa, Phoebe and a man homineso, net to 2 and the Muna for be after 1 monqua, Nampany first Hunkonya, na Koto, Bibica Crabiko Canape, na Sapijan, who say Brasson. So one more was searched and wo boss said Jenny Mamma Musino, and to be nume Janny Numuno when one more edician into a say, so you'll be all competent hormonas as Sam and Timmy Huasia, man hominesono. What do for the moon watch the war and the Ambrano and Nubedi Pana, the Swenyansa.
Oswafa was shefisem so ora Ambrose Dairy ediato one more and amon swabasabasaye eba bokunyina enim se wontwe won wonyesa bambofo ene womu ebedi woni amane boni twetwen komo wabra one ne manfo hia mu ya afia hyase woto epono ene wodi tu dwase wo hwe me bi etese Burkina Faso a ene bokumu ekwan enwa ne senti 70 wase esore ewo bokosa na twese etutrafo ene yepese yetonsa from eba omayi emu.
Bawku is a very important part of Ghana, especially that it shares border with Burkina Faso and Togo. And therefore, we would want that it is peaceful and secure to enable us fight off or ward off the extremists who want to migrate southwards.
And wechi osaika de to aso say asoye no yedi betimi bia sebeye a entokwa sorry yenti suku ayaresabia ene enwumekwa wodro bia watotum no obetimi abiebie na asomdwe aba
into the new year. As we are got into new year, take more serious steps and strategies to make sure that Bawku returns to peace that it deserves, that state institutions can operate, hospitals, schools can continue to operate, and our children continue to go to school. We have taken note, we have increased numbers as a transitional measure, but we are going to come up with strategies that you would soon see would greatly improve, and we get back to more peaceful times.